Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science. Now, children, the last class we studied about first standard. I am taking, and I am taking second lesson. So the lesson name is our basic needs. So, children, what are our basic needs? Can you say, children? So basic needs of food, water, clothes, and all, no, children. So we are all living things, no, children. We are all human beings. We breathe, we eat, and all those, children. So for living and to survive, we want to need so many things, no, children. We need so many things to live, no, children. So in this lesson we can study about our basic needs. Now, children, so which are our basic needs, children? Food, clothes, water, home, sunlight, and air. No, children, if this all this is not there, so we can't live at all. No, children. Now let us study the lesson. Okay, children. So I am going to read the lessons. Listen carefully. When we feel hungry, we have to eat. When it rains, we need a shelter. To protect ourselves from heat, cold and rain, we need clothes. So all these are called basic needs. Have a look at the basic needs of an organism. So children, when you feel hungry, what you will do? When you feel hungry, you will eat. So when you're going outside, so it is raining. So if it rains, what you need? You need a shelter. So you need a shelter. Okay, children. So to protect from sun, cold and rain, we need clothes. So all these are our basic needs. Okay, children. Down they given some picture. So these are all the basic needs of us. So first is human beings. So human beings, what they need? This is our basic needs. So first is food, clothes, water, home or shelter, sunlight, air. So these are all the basic needs of a human beings. Now, children, next is animal picture they are given. So for animals also they have basic needs. So that basic needs are food, water, air, habitat and sunlight. So for animals these are the basic needs. And here they are given picture of a tree. So they also want something to live. These are all basic needs for trees. So first is water. They need water, they need air and they need sunlight. No, children? So first is human being, second is animal and third is trees. So they all need this one. Okay, children? So for human beings, basic needs is food, clothes, water, home, shelter, sunlight, air. For animals, food, water, air, habitat, sunlight. So for plants, water, air, sunlight. So these are all called basic needs of organisms. Okay, children? So next page. So in the next page they are given first food. Okay, children? Food makes strong and healthy. It gives us energy to study and play. Some food help us to grow milk, fish, eggs and pulses, or some which help us to grow. Some foods gives us energy. Rice, sugar, butter, roti and bread gives us energy. Some food keeps us healthy. Fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. We must have our meal at a fixed time. We take breakfast in the morning, we have lunch in afternoon, we have dinner at night. So now you are going to study about food. Okay, children? What you are studying? You are studying about food. So what does food gives us, children? Food gives and food makes, if we eat food, our body will be strong and it will be healthy. No, children, if we eat food, our body will become strong and it gives and be healthy, and it gives, the food gives energy to study and play. Okay, children, the food gives energy to study and play. So some foods are there, they help us to grow. Okay, children, some food help us to grow. So which are that foods means? That food name are milk, fish, eggs and pulses. So these foods help us to grow. So which are the, children? Milk, fish, eggs and pulses. You have eaten, I think, children, this drink milk, you have drunk fish and eggs, you have eaten, and pulses also you are eating. No, children? So these food help us to grow. Okay, children? So still some food are there. If we eat that one, we will get energy. So which are the, children? Do you know? Yes, they are rice, sugar, butter, roti and bread. So these foods gives us energy. Okay, children? So which food gives us energy, children? Rice, sugar, butter, roti and bread. So these foods gives us energy. Okay, children? So still some foods are there. So they keep us healthy. When we eat that food, it keeps us healthy. Which of the, children? Do you know, children? Can anyone say the children names, children? So they are fruits and vegetables. Okay, children? So these fruits and vegetables, if we eat that one, it will keep us healthy. Okay, children? So some food will help us to grow, some food gives us energy and some food keeps us healthy. Okay, children? So which food help us to grow, children? So milk, fish, eggs and pulses help to grow. So rice, sugar, butter, roti, bread gives us energy, and fruits and vegetables, they keep us healthy. Okay, children? Now you will eat the milk, no food, children. So that food you must eat in the fixed time, correct time. Okay, children? So morning you will get up, you will take bath, you will brush your teeth, take bath, pray to God. Afterwards you will take the breakfast. No, that is called morning breakfast. Okay, children? So next, in the afternoon, you will eat, no, children? In the afternoon at 12:30 or 1 o'clock. So that is called lunch. Okay, children? Afterwards, in the night also you will eat, no, children? That is called dinner. Okay, children? ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಹಲ್ಲು ಉಜ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ತಿಂತೀರಲ್ವ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ತಿಂತೀರಲ್ವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಂಚ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ತಿಂತೀರಲ್ವ ಊಟನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಡಿನ್ನರ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, so you understood about food. Okay children, now next we can go for milk. Milk a complete food, so it is a complete food. Children, do you like milk, children? Okay, so all like milk, I think, children. So milk keeps our bones and teeth strong. So if you drink milk, okay children, it will keep our bones and teeth strong. Okay children, so ನೀವು ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಟ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕುಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ at least 8 glasses of water every day. It is very important for our body. So children, daily you'll drink water. No children? So that water you must drink at least 8 glass. Okay children, every day you must drink 8 glasses of water. So it is very important for our body. So water is very important for our body. ನೀವು ಡೈಲಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತೀರಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ 8 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, 8 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ನೀರೇ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ body. Okay children, so next is clothes. Next we can learn about clothes. So children, do you all wear clothes? Oh yes, so you all wear clothes. Clothes cover our body. So why do you wear clothes children? ಇವೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕೊತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೀಟ್, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೀಟ್. ಹೀಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಸಿಲು, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತಣ್ಣಗಿರೋದು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ರೈನ್, ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ heat, cold and rain. Okay children, clothes protect us from dust and dirt. So if you are going outside, dust and all will be there. So if you are wearing clothes, that dust won't come and sit on our body. So it also protects dust and dirt. Clothes protect us from dust and dirt. Clean and well ironed clothes help us to look good and presentable. So if we wear clean clothes, it must be washed and it must be ironed. So if you wear that clean and well ironed clothes, it looks good. No children? So all will appreciate you if you wear like that dress. No children? We wear clothes according to the weather or season. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool. We get cotton from plants. So these clothes we will change according to the weather or season. So we wear cotton clothes in summer. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊತೀವಿ. No children, we wear cotton clothes in summer. So cotton clothes keep us cool. So cotton clothes ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಚ್ಚಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. So where do we get that cotton clothes children? We get cotton clothes from plants. Okay children, so we wear cotton clothes in summer. It keeps us cool, and these cotton clothes we get from plants. Okay children, so next we wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm. The sweaters we wear in winter are made of wool. We get wool from sheep. So winter means chalikala. So in winter what clothes will wear children? We wear woolen clothes. So this keeps us warm. ಬೆಚ್ಚಗಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಚ್ಚಗೆ. So these sweaters we wear in winter, no? Woolen clothes that is made up of wool. So where do we get this wool children? This wool we will get from sheep. Okay children. So next, when going out in the rain, we wear raincoats and gumcoats. Okay children, we also carry umbrella. The raincoats we wear in rainy season are made up of synthetic. These clothes dry up quickly. So now we are going outside. No children, it will be raining. So what do you wear children while going outside if it is raining? Do you know children? Can anyone say? Okay, so we wear raincoats. Okay, children, and gum boots for the leg. No, children. So we wear gum boots and raincoats. You all were wearing raincoats. No, children. You all wear when it is raining. Okay, children. You wear raincoats, and we can carry umbrella also. So we will carry umbrella also when it is raining. No, children. So these raincoats protect us from rain. So it is made up of synthetic, and these clothes dry up quickly. Okay, children. Now we all are coming for school. So if you are coming for school, which clothes you will wear, children? So you will all wear uniform, no? This is called special clothes. So only for school you will wear it. No, children? Children wear special clothes to school. These special clothes are called uniform. The uniform for each school is different. So for coming school, you will wear uniform and come, no, children. So this is called special clothes, and the uniform is different for other school also. From one school to another school, it is different. This uniform is different. Okay, children. Next is home or shelter. Okay, children. So you are going outside. After the school, you are going to home. So you need a place to live. Where you will go after school? You will go for home to rest, take rest. So this place is called a house. Okay, children. A house keeps us safe from heat and cold. So you are going to house, no? This house keeps from heat and cold. ಬಿಸಿಲು ಮತ್ತು ತಣ್ಣಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, ಎ ಹೌಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಂಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಸೇಫ್? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೀಟ್, cold, rain and wind. Okay, children. House keeps safe from wild animals and thieves. So this house also keeps us safe from wild animals and thieves. Wild animals ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು, ಅದರಿಂದ. ಮತ್ತು thieves ಅಂದರೆ ಕಳ್ಳರು. So it keeps from them also. Safe from them also. A house is a home where a family lives in it. So in the house who lives? Family like mother, father, brother, sister, grandfather and all will be there, no? They are called family. So they live in the house. Okay, children. ನಾವಿರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಜಾಗ ಬಂದು ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ ಮನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಂದು ಹೀಟು, ಬಿಸಿಲು, ಮಳೆ, ತಣ್ಣಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಗಾಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೂರ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಅದರಿಂದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಳ್ಳರಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. So I have seen houses. There are different types of houses, no children? So Geeta and Sita live in a village. Their house is a kacha house. A kacha house is made of mud, wood and straw. So here two girls' names are there, Geeta and Sita. They live in a village. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹುಡುಗಿರು ವಿಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹುಡುಗಿರು ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಬಂದು ಕಚ್ಚಾ ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಆ ಮನೆಗೆ. ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಕಚ್ಚಾ ಹೌಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಚ್ಚಾ ಹೌಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಡ್, wood and straw. See here the picture is given here. First picture. This is kacha house. So it is made of mud, wood and straw. Okay children. So this house we call it as kacha house. Okay children. So next, Mohan and Sohan live in a town. Okay, children. Their house is a concrete house. A pakka house is made up of bricks, cement, iron, steel and wood. See children, down picture one house is there here, so that is called pakka house. So Mohan and Sohan live in a town. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹುಡುಗರು ಟೌನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೌನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಟಿ. ಸೊ their house is a concrete house. They are living, no, that we call it as a concrete house. So it is made up of bricks, cement, iron, steel and wood. Bricks means itke kallu, cement gottalla nimge, iron andre kambi, ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ವುಡ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಮನೆನ ನಾವು ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, so there are two types of houses. One is called kacha houses and another one is called pakka houses. So kacha house is made up of mud, wood and straw. So next, concrete house, we call it as pakka house also. So that is made of bricks, cement, iron, steel and wood. Okay children. Next, food, clothes and home or shelter are our basic needs. So food, clothes and home are our basic need. We all human beings, animals also need this one. Now children, food help us to grow. So if we eat food, we will be growing. Clothes protect us from heat, rain and cold. So you are wearing all clothes, no? That clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. So we need a home to live in. So to live we need a home. So houses protect us from bad weather and thieves. So this house is there, no? It protects us from weather and thieves. Okay children. So once again I'll repeat. Okay children. So when it rains, when we feel hungry, we want to eat. When it rains, we need shelter. So to protect ourselves from heat, cold and rain, we need clothes. So these are all our basic needs. So food, if we eat food, we will become strong and healthy and we get energy to study and play. So there are so many foods that help us to grow, give energy and keeps us healthy. So for growing energy, we need rice, sugar, butter, roti and bread. Okay children. So for growing, we eat milk, fish, eggs and pulses. Now children, and to keep healthy, we eat fruits and vegetables. So this all food keeps us strong, healthy and help us to grow. Okay children. So we must eat food in a fixed time, correct time. So morning is called breakfast and afternoon you are eating, no, that is called lunch, and in the night you are eating, no, that is called dinner. Okay children. So milk keeps our bones and teeth strong. So and you must drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Okay children. So next, so you all wear clothes, no? So it protects, that clothes protects, covers our body and it protects from heat, cold, rain and dust also. So we must wear iron clothes, clean and iron clothes. Now children, so we are wearing different types of clothes. So for in summer we wear cotton clothes and in winter we wear woolen clothes. So these woolen clothes and cotton clothes we will get from plants. Cotton clothes we will get from plants and these woolen clothes we will get from sheep. Now children, next, if you are going outside, you must carry umbrella and you must wear raincoats or gum boots. So it protects us from getting wet. Okay children. So while going to school, you will wear one cloth, no, that is called uniform. So there are different types of uniforms in different schools. Okay children. See, next is home or shelter. So to live we need house. Okay children, it protects from that house, protects us from heat, cold, rain and wind, and it protects from wild animals and thieves also. So next is types of houses. So there are two types of houses. So one is kacha house and one is pakka house. For pakka house we can call it as concrete house also. So this kacha house is made of mud, wood and straw. Okay children, and this pakka house is made of bricks, cement, iron, steel and wood. Okay children, any doubt children? So okay, in the next class I think you could have understood. So in the next class I will give you notes. Okay children, thank you.